defense during activated.
Hi, I'm Mahdy. Today I am talking about Thermaltake Versa N26 catching. This is the catching. This is really nice. The front side is really nice, like a robot. That is the box. The model is Versa N26 from Thermaltake. Specifications: case type mid tower, dimension 490 mm into 197 mm into 463 mm. Input output port USB 3.0 into 1, USB 2.0 into 2, HD audio into 1. Expansion slots 7. Material SPCC. Motherboards 6.7 inch into 6.7 inch, which is mini ITX. 9.6 inch into 9.6 inch, which is micro ATX. 12 inch into 9.6 inch, which is ATX. Actually, mini ITX, micro ATX and ATX, three are compatible for this sketching. Fan support: front 2 into 120 mm, top 2 into 120 mm, rear 1 into 120 mm. Radiator support: top 1 into 240 mm, rear 1 into 120 mm. Clearance: CPU cooler height limitation 160 mm, BGA lamp limitation 250 mm with HDD case, 360 mm without HDD case. That's all. Let's look the catching. This is the right side, and there is a window glass panel. You can watch motherboard and other component from the outside. That is another side. Power button reset and USB port are placed in the top. That is power button. That is reset button, and is the USB 2.0 and it's also the USB 3.0. That is microphone and that is used for earphone. That is the back side. It has one built-in system fan, which is 120 mm. This section designed for installing graphics card, and this is for power supply. That is left side. This section designed for installing SSD card, and there are some cable which is using for the power button reset and USB port. you can use for extra pen. Two can be used on the front side, and another two fan can be used on the top side. There are three HDD case, hard drive disk case. Wow, really nice. You can use extra pen on this side. This is for DVD writer. This is the bottom section. It's the dust filter. It can protect your PC from the dust. That's all. I think it is really nice. You can use it. I like this sketching. Okay.
Automated defense grid activated.